Okay, next train to now depart is going to be the 11:40 Transport for Wales service heading to Milford Haven on Manchester Piccadilly, which is going to appear very shortly. You can see that 17516 is actually getting preparations to leave very soon. It's going to be 175 or 158 actually, 158.824. This is trying to fool me. It's trying to fool me, this thing. Trying to fool me. I thought you were 175, in fact you were 158. Wow, you are really fooling me. Well, this is not a 150, that's one thing for sure. It's not a 150 then. Okay, so that is off to Milford Haven, that one. That went via Chester.